Sharmishta, pose guys. I will.
This is our NTB Sharmishta.
Okay, posing for you, Sharmishta. Okay. This bit.
Rosit, do some no joke Rosit scenes, please. Who is this? This is Marvel or Manish.
Hey Marvel. Hello.
क्या no joke करना है बता बाल खींचो क्या करूँ बताओ आप लोग
यार,
बताइए
मत
टेल
यार।
मी व्हाट
You know रोली और सिद्धांत की नोकझोंक कैसी होती है, बेचारा बंदा ही मार खाता
इधर
था।
वैक्सिंग हो जाती है
वैक्सिंग। वो सीन्स के बाद दाढ़ी उगाने का मौका मिला है यार। Are you boyfriend girlfriend Tariq? No, we are not. Turkey rocks? No, we are not. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Shireen Rosit, wish you the same. Have a great year ahead. Chinmani Raut, once come and visit Odisha and hey listen, I've heard about your place. It's fabulous. We have a lot of technicians from Odisha and they are fabulous. Very gentle and nice people. There is this gentleman who has wrote the script for us, and that film we are going to release very soon. That guy is from Odisha. We love that place, and someday we probably will visit that place also. Okay.
Rati is saying I will cry if you don't reply. So
Rati ka hai? What are the questions? What is the kind of question?
I don't know.
Rati, listen, we are very sorry if you're not finding a question. Sarah, what is your question?
will you ever answer? I think we will, but
We will. We are here to answer. Okay. Nahi hua. Again, please. Okay, Sharmishta, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Pause over. Mannequin challenge.
मैं हिल गई वापस
Okay. Mannequin challenge. Bas. Okay. Alrighty. Neema Patel, please come in Ahmedabad. Oh, we do keep coming there, Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is like very close. We shall, definitely. Okay, Rati wants to say hi to someone, I think. Rati Vikrant Jain.
अच्छा रति का क्वेश्चन जो नहीं मिल रहा है Richa is saying that Rati wants you to say hi to someone.
Rati! Hi
किसको
to
hi
you.
बोलना है
किसको hi
बताओ?
बोला? अभी बोल जल्दी
जाके बोल के आएंगे.
Okay, you both looking awesome, doing a good friendship. Hey, thank you, Sonia. I am glad you understand it's friendship. Okay, you are very cool. My name is Tanya. I love you, Tanya.
Tanya, love you.
We love you too. Looking at your surname, looks like you're from Bulgaria too. Okay, your chit chat session makes me laugh. Yeah, I know.
No, I'll reveal a secret of his. जब इनको हंसी नहीं आती और जानबूझ के किसी को हंसाना होना ही does this. खिदी.
Or just do this, just tell a person like, एक मिनट, हंसी आ रही है. Wait, it's coming.
Just wait for it.
And then go, khidi. Done. It's nonsense, never do it, people will hit you. Okay.
I do with song for
Harshani.
तूने जो ना कहा मैं वो
सुनता रहा.
खामखा बेवजह ख्वाब बुनता रहा.
मैं गाऊंगा तो सुर बिगड़ जाएगा, इसके लिए मैंने सिंग कर
अब
दिया.
वो वाला गाना गाओ. सुन रहा है.
No. Okay. Guys should come together. I love you guys. Priyanka. कहां है? Okay. Huma. Thank you so much.
Renuka, Aviman, please read my name. I'm Renuka.
Renuka. We are reading a name. Renuka. We love you. Okay. I love this.
You give friendship goals, dude. Yes, we do.
That's a huge compliment.
ऐसे करो ना. थोड़ा
Eliza.
Show off करोगे?
हाँ, okay, show off करो.
ऐसे.
हाँ, okay. Yeah, friendship goals. He just try to act cool, trust me or not. I love Chota Anandi, you rock. Polly Karmarkar. Okay, so you love Chota Anandi? Yeah, Chota Anandi, hello, Chota Anandi.
Hello.
Okay, wait a sec.
Sing again, please. अब दूसरा गाना गाते हैं.
नहीं. Wanna...
कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता.
क्या गाती है?
कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता.
Preeti Rosit, you're right. She has a beautiful voice. इसको background में चलने देते हैं आप लोग। हाँ, nice. Sing.
Yeah,
She sings fabulous. Smarty Gaurav Gupta. Gaurav Gupta, what's up? Fan. Ceiling, both. Okay.
Sky. Okay.
Teja roasted. Shout out my name.
Teja!
No, wait a second. 1, 2, 3. ये तेजा क्या है? ये तेजा. Okay. Akanksha Kapoor. Question mark.
Punjabi.
Who's Punjabi?
Are you Punjabi?
I'm half Sindhi, half Sardar. She is pure
Kachi
Gujarati.
Gujarati.
Kachi Gujarati. Both of us are combinations. Love and wishes from Taiba.
Taiba.
We know you, Taiba. She's at work, so couldn't be
Yeah.
there. Listen, Taiba, we love
There
you.
are many of you guys who could not. So one of
Yeah.
them is Shakti, one of them is Amina Halim.
Amina
one of
is
them
not here.
This one. Oh, sorry.
Okay, her bad. Please post weekly selfies. Renuka, we want to apologize for that. I understand even radical Rosidans had this concern that we are not able to post weekly selfies, but we shall do that.
We shall try our best to do that. Even if we do not meet in that week, उसके पहले वाले जब मिलेंगे तभी 3-4 खींचेंगे.
No, because what is happening is we barely meet, and when we are meeting, it's like watch, work, and then work. But it's like that song. So work समझ में आता है, आगे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. So we are not able to.
Jatin, watch us.
So yeah, we will try and do so more regularly, and we shall do our best.
Wow, sweet.
Himani
voice,
saying
so awesome.
shout out my name. Wait.
हिमानी हाय. उसके पहले एक और आया था. Nice voice. तो मैंने बोला और सुनो. अब सुना.
सुना.
कौन सा गाना?
I'm reading the messages. Sing. Okay, Shruti Subramaniam. Read my name, please. Again. Shruti Subramaniam. I have a good friend like you, man.
Come to London.
Hey, really, Yogesh Yogi.
When are you gonna come London?
London, no plans for now, at least, Huma. Okay, Yogi, we love that. Keep your friendships alive. They are the best thing in the world. Those are the relationships you choose. Be loyal to them, and trust me, it's gonna take you places. Love, Ari
And
Balucha.
never let them down.
Never ever let them down. Love you both. I'm 16 from Pakistan.
Hello, 16.
Hello,
Sweet
16, Ari. Okay. Avika is my first since Balika Vadhu.
Favorite.
Favorite.
Bhagwan.
When are you doing movies? Avika is doing a lot of movies. She's done a lot of movies down
Not
south.
doing it right now.
For now, she's studying. But yeah, and Shimal Kumar, really enjoy chatting with you. We do. We also have the same feelings. Likewise.
You should try comedy or just grab a seat of Sidhu Paji. We would love that.
Menas,
We would love
trust
that.
me, I can. I can't do Shero Shairi like him. I think he's a great guy. But laughter, I have like
Laughter,
Archana Puran
exactly.
Singh. I think I'm louder.
Ha! And I will
come to Kerala.
I will sit behind and do khidi.
You have lovely mind-blowing voice. Akriti says so. I know what you're
Sana
talking about.
Mirza, please sing a song for me. Sana, this is for you. तू ही है मुझको बता दे चाहूँ मैं आना अपनी तो दिल का बता दे चाहूँ मैं आना.
Okay, Teja. Best gift Manish gave to Avika.
Everything, this friendship.
I think the most funniest.
बोलने दो ना, आप gift दे दो.
No, I remember.
मिली है.
For me, what the most memorable is. I won't answer that. I was dropping her and her mom back home, and
Okay,
I
not get over.
and suddenly
This
there
was around 3-4 years back.
4 years back, and
मैं कुछ ज़्यादा छोटी नहीं थी 3-4 years back. Okay.
she was around 15 or
I was
something.
still a teenager. Yeah.
Yeah. So there's this there are people
On
who
the
sell
traffic signal.
on the traffic signal. They sell the cartoon books and stuff for coloring.
Coloring books.
And that's
for
like for
3-year-old.
But for me, I always took her that way. So what I did was I bought some coloring books and I gave it to her. Her mother started laughing. She's like, she's not as small as you think. Huh? I was like, okay. So I still think that's like the most cherished gift from my side to her. That you know.
But for me, this friendship is the most beautiful gift anyone could
Absolutely.
ever give me.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so Preeti, did you get the cake?
It is right here.
We will cut the cake soon. Okay, and we're posting the pictures of the cake. Super voice Avika, Ashok ji.
Awesome.
Ashok ji, मैं बोल रहा हूँ गलत कर रहे हो.
आ रहा है. गाना तो बता.
Himani Singh, Manish, when we will see you in Bollywood, I'm eagerly waiting.
Cross all the fingers.
Very soon. Okay. Yeah. So sing a song. Ashok ji.
Roasted or Abhiman, which one you like more? Sakshi Shivam.
Sakshi, I have a question for you. If you answer that, your left eye is Abhiman and right eye is Roasted. Which one do you like better? So yeah, it's equally this thing because we cherish the friendship as much as we cherish the on-screen characters we created, and we got an opportunity to play rather. So yeah, we were like
Banu. Sorry.
Banu. With long hair like Mumbai track again. Abhika with long hair.
Short hair और purplish reddish कुछ बाल है. थोड़ा time लगेगा but.
Yeah. For now, meet the peacock. Then.
1 second. I have the wings. Wait now.
Wait. Okay. So Lavanya Srinivas, hi guys. Please shout out my son's name. Saransh is your son's name, and Avika, please sing Uyala Jampala for me.
I'm so sorry.
Lavanya.
I don't remember.
But yes, Saransh, lots of love and lots of hugs for you. I don't know. I'm sure you're very small and now very sweet mother that you want your son's name to be taken. We love that gesture. Thank you so much, and we're glad to say Saransh for you. Hey, please sing an Arif
Hey,
Sheikh.
looking very handsome. ये शायद मेरे को बोला.
Mr. Yadav? No. Oh, no.
Versha.
Versha. I think it was for her.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Guys.
You don't take my name. Why? Meenakshi Ranjan.
Meenakshi.
Why?
Meenakshi, why?
Why Meenakshi?
Why do you think so?
Why?
Meenakshi, why do you think so that we don't take your
Why?
name, Meenakshi? Why do you think so? Okay, done. Meenakshi. आज नींद में मीनाक्षी बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Okay, so Davini Meera, please say my name Davini Meera.
Davini Meera.
Okay, Manish, you were our first crush.
मेरी स्कूल में आधे से ज्यादा लड़कियों के फर्स्ट क्रश यही थे.
Wow. Okay, thank you. I just blushed for you, and sorry I missed your name. Madhu Priya. Thank you. Oh. मैं शर्माने के मोड में घुस जाऊँ इससे पहले we'll say start taking. Okay.
Sorry.
So.
Little age.
Preeti Rao, why did you cut your hair, Didi? Oh, I'm sure you're really small. I miss your beautiful long.
Really small मतलब hello.
No, she's calling you Didi.
So I am not a 3-year-old. There are
Um,
people who are born after me. I mean.
Okay. Yeah. There are people
So
born
yeah, I
after
cut my hair because I wanted to experiment, and second, yeah, that's it.
Yeah. It doesn't look like she had a second reason.
Yeah.
Manish, sing a song for us. Yaar, kyun? Like there are different.
The first song he learned from his singing teacher was Alvela. Stop.
Listen.